dudes, it's me again. I am taking a break from writing a paper to make this video for you guys. I'm going to share my mail with you, which is exciting because who doesn't love getting presents in the mail? I do. And it's really awesome when you get something on like a pre-order and then it takes a long time to get here and you actually forget about it. It's kind of awesome. So yeah. So a quick note on what I'm already wearing on my face now. My go-to brand for foundation is Dermacol. I use the makeup cover-up in shade 208, which is still pretty dark for me, so I mix it with Hard Candy's Glamoflage shade Porcelain. Yeah. And it ends up looking, you know, pretty close. And then for the powder, I use Too Faced Primed and Poreless powder. But when I try to type it on my phone, it autocorrects to lifeless instead of poreless. Pretty cool. And if you see my previous video, you know that I got the Suva Beauty bulging box and I got the saffron palette. That's what this is. All saffron right here. And then this is the Moisture Matte lipstick in shade Imagination. And the mascara is also Dermacol. It's the Imperial mascara. And the highlight, I actually played around with that, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. So, no eyebrows because I'm going to put a bunch of shit on my face. So, let's get to the mail. I'm going to open the black one first because black is my favorite. So, it is from Black Moon Cosmetics. I actually got put on the reminder list when this launched, and it's the, oh, that's a nice box. Got a pretty card, and then we got, so when you open the box, like, that's what it looks like. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then this is what was inside. I got the Far Out Trio, which is one of, I think, 3 sets of their Cosmic Eye Dusts that they released. I honestly wanted all of them, but, you know, I don't get PR, I don't get stuff sent for me for free because I'm nobody. So I bought this myself. I think it was around 30 some odd bucks, I think 32 to 35. But this is what you get inside. Ooh. That's damn pretty guys. So inside you get 3 of the Cosmic Eye Dusts. So I got these because I am a total slut for blue and green combinations here recently. So there is a green called E.T. Pretty exciting. Let's see what this guy looks like. Ooh. You're gonna go right there. Oh, that's pretty. The next one is Hydrogen. Let's put you with your friend. Oh, that's nice too. And then the third one is Gravity. And it's a purple. That's pretty too. Oh, these are so nice. So nice. Ooh. Oh. All right. So I do have a couple other things from Black Moon Cosmetics that I've gotten previously. I did get their Moon Glow stuff. It's a highlighter and it's green and I kind of really love it. I'm not wearing it right now, but that is like the first thing that I ever got from them. I do want to grab a couple of their lipsticks because Mermaider and Myth kind of look awesome, not gonna lie. So that's that package from Black Moon Cosmetics. My cat's over there being a dick. So let's put this away. And let's see what else I got. Okay, we got a box from Strobe Cosmetics. And I got this particular palette because I'm probably a little bit late to the party. I got this guy. This is one of the only collections that I've seen that's like a neon pastel, which kind of gives me a lady boner, not gonna lie. So this guy is like 35 bucks on their website, and that's what it looks like. Pretty exciting. So they want to come to the face party too with Black Moon Cosmetics. So alright, we got Tombstone. Feels nice and buttery. Oh, that's a pretty gray. I don't really use gray that often, but kinda dig it. Got Planchet. Oh, that's gonna be a nice spring color. Creep It Real. Oh, god damn it. That's nice. Cold Shoulder. Let's see what you look like. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Strawberry Milk. Kinda dig it. That's cute. Okay, let's do Take a Hint, because, you know, the green and the blue are really the whole reason I got this. Let's put you right here. Oh, amazing. Void. That actually looks like a pretty dark black, and I'm always on the hunt for a really good black. Ooh. Nice. And then Third Eye. That looks like a really pretty peach. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Let's put you right here. That's pretty. So I can see myself just beating my face to shit with this in the springtime. A little bit powdery, not a big deal. Feels really nice. I like this one, I like this one, I like this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And the gray's a little, but you know, maybe with some primer or something, it'll look alright. We'll see. Alright, so that is Strobe Cosmetics. Pretty exciting. Alright, and I got one more thing in the mail. So, off of Amazon, I got Inglot, the gel eyeliner, as well as the Duraline. So, I'm pretty excited about trying this because a couple years back I got PRK, vision correction surgery. And ever since then, my eyes water really bad, like up in the corners. So I get little bald spots and kind of really sucks. So apparently with this stuff, you can mix it with anything and it makes like a waterproof eyeliner. So, and then on Amazon you can get this guy and this guy together for like 35 bucks. So figured, why not? Let's give it a shot. So, I have my Suva Beauty brush, 350, that I got in my bulging box that I'm gonna test drive this stuff with, and it's all foiled shut. Okay. So So I guess we're just gonna drop that right into the pan, like so. Cat hair. Get in there. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh wow, yeah. I can dig it. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Meow, meow. That's what you sound like, asshole. Meow. I'm kidding, I like him. All right, so that is my male look for the day. It's going to be really awesome to wash all this off and have it mixed together. That's exciting. So this is like a really matte black. I dig it. I'm always on the lookout for really good eyeliners because my eyes do water so bad. And I think this is gonna really shine for me, but not shine because it's not shiny. It's matte. Alright guys, so I am going to get back to my paper because, you know, qualitative and quantitative research is really, really interesting. It's really not. I mean, it is, but it's tedious, and that's what the paper is. So, thank you for stopping by to see what I got in the mail, because I know, you know, no one really gives a hot shit, but it's fun. And you guys have a fantastic day. And always remember, click it or ticket. Be excellent to each other. Don't be a dick. And like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Bye.